This is the FVL 12MC vertical turning CNC lathe from Chevalier. Super fast heavy machining, consistent accuracy, and that new machine tightness maintained over a very long time. This Japanese design machine is very special indeed. So let's have a look at some of the key features that make this machine a real class winner.
From the ground up, this machine is really different. The assembly fixtures and jigs and even the assembly process are all originally Japanese design. These machines are designed to save you valuable workshop space, making them perfect for automation or cell manufacturing operations. The FVL uses a single-piece Mehanite box-type heavy ribbed cast frame with the vertical column and base as a single unit for maximum rigidity. These frames are annealed and precision ground and feature a unique slant bed design for perfect chip flushing efficiency. This machine uses alloy steel precision ground boxways, which provide a quantum leap in accuracy over competitors' models. The FVL series even has its own temperature-controlled workshop to precision grind the boxways and guarantee their accuracy. The FVL series can maintain 0.004mm accuracy over the full vertical stroke, rather than the 0.02mm over only 300mm in other manufacturers' machines.
This machine has a patented permanent zero-gap boxway design. Now, this means that the FVL series maintains its accuracy and tightness much longer than competitors' models, without the need for frequent jib adjustments.
The 25 or 30 horsepower 3000 RPM spindle on the FVL 12 features an NN-type double cylindrical roller bearing for the best possible accuracy under very heavy loading, and is air sealed to ensure protection from contaminants. The FVL 12MC features a high rigidity power turret with a C-axis live turret, which together provide you with super fast machining and unbeatable accuracy for both turning and power milling. Efficiency, accuracy, and excellent surface finish. If these are the qualities that you need in a machine, then the FVL series from Chevalier is definitely the one for you.
Through their unique assembly process, next generation accuracy, long service period guarantee, and unique slant bed design, this series of machines is your perfect choice for your manufacturing operations.